Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel, your go-to source for actionable insights into the markets. Today, we're diving deep into a specific trade setup that recently hit our scanners. We're talking about a small-cap biotech that's showing some intriguing pre-breakout signals. Stick around as we break down the technicals, the strategy, and the exact levels to watch. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Alright, let's jump in. The stock we're analyzing today is CAM for Therapeutics Corporation, ticker symbol CAMP. This company operates in the dynamic healthcare biotechnology sector and currently holds a market capitalization of $281.06 million, placing it firmly in small cap territory with shares trading under $5. So, why did CAMP land on our radar? It triggered two powerful screening strategies today. First, our Paloma Onsis strategy, which translates to pre-breakout squeeze. This strategy looks for stocks that have been consolidating in a tight range, much like a spring coiling up before release. For CAMP, we saw a lower ADX, the average directional index, an indicator measuring trend strength which indicated this tight consolidation. The price for CAMP was also above its EM at 20, the 20-period exponential moving average, suggesting short-term bullishness, and critically, its volume was just beginning to expand. The second strategy triggered was dip and gap top antler, meaning strength from the lows. This strategy identifies stocks showing renewed buying interest after a period of weakness or consolidation. Again, CAMP exhibited low ADX consolidation, meaning it was gathering strength without forming a clear trend yet. Its price was above the EM at 1T, confirming that short-term momentum was positive. Furthermore, CAMP's relative strength index, or RSI momentum oscillator measuring the speed and change of price movements, on a scale of 0 to 100 was above 50, signaling that buying pressure was outweighing selling pressure. Crucially, CAMP's volume was also above its 30-day average, validating this renewed interest. Technical analysis deep dive. Now, let's confirm the signal. The price of CAMP is trading above its volume-weighted moving average, or VWAP, an indicator that factors in volume to give more weight to price bars, with high volume indicating strong buying sentiment. The trend strength, measured by ADX, has emerged above 18, confirming that a genuine trend is starting to form, not just market noise. CAMP's RSI is in that healthy momentum zone, specifically between 45 and 68, which for CAMP currently sits at 58, indicating building momentum without being overbought. Today's volume for CAMP was a significant 384,932 shares, which is 2.0x its 30-day average of 191,064 shares. This surge in relative volume, alongside the price trading above key moving averages, specifically today's plus 7.67% move, suggests that buyers are stepping in with conviction. Imagine CAMP, a biotech stock, has been quietly building strength from its 52-week low of $1.35. The Paloma Onsis strategy saw it coiling up like a spring, consolidating its energy after a period where it moved 232.6% above those lows. Then the dip and gap top antler strategy confirmed that this wasn't just random movement, but a genuine accumulation of strength, with buyers taking control. This suggests CAMP is preparing for a potential significant upward move as it broke its recent downward trend of 0.22% over the last 5 days. Based on our scanner, the precise entry signal for CAMP is $4.5436. This price marks a critical point where the stock is expected to break out of its recent consolidation. Your stop-loss level is set tightly at $4.5209. This is placed just below immediate support, protecting your capital if CAMP reverses unexpectedly. Our take-profit targets are staggered: TPON at $4.07,708, TP2 at $4.09,980, and TP3 at $5.2251. These targets are strategically placed at key resistance levels. With a risk of just 227 cents per share and a potential gain of 6,815 cents to our final target, this setup provides an attractive 1:10.1 risk/reward ratio, meaning for every dollar risked, we're aiming for over $10 in return. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. For CAMP to continue its upward trajectory, we want to see sustained high volume above its 30-day average. A close above T-Pone, $4.0708 on strong volume would be a positive confirmation. Conversely, a decisive close below our stop loss of $4.5209 would invalidate the setup, signaling it's time to exit. Keep an eye on CAMP's ability to maintain its momentum above the EM at 20. CAMP, a small-cap biotech, is presenting a compelling pre-breakout setup. Today's impressive plus 7.67% gain in relative volume 2.0x the average underscore the growing interest. Remember, this is a penny stock under $5, so volatility can be significant. If you found this analysis helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth trade breakdowns, and let us know in the comments which stocks you want us to analyze next. Happy trading, everyone!